Good morning, guys. Right now it's like 10, so I'm kind of getting a late start, but not really though, because I usually begin up at like 12 when I don't work, but whatever. Today we got some stuff to do. Today I want to go look at some furniture stores. I just got a brand new dining room table yesterday. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. So I think I want to get some pictures to hang in my dining room. I want to get like 4 pictures, I think, to hang. I've been thinking about a gallery wall, but we'll see. We'll see what I'm looking to spend today. So I want to go find some cute picture frames for that. Have some photos printed and some stuff like that. Look at some decor, maybe a new bedspread. Also, at some point, gotta clean my beauty room. So yeah, I also might want to go look at a thrift store around here. I haven't been to any thrift stores like Goodwill's, Plato's Closet, anything since I've even moved to North Carolina. I haven't been to any thrift stores, and I'm like, what if I'm missing out on something good? So we're gonna do that, and yeah. First, I'm going to do my makeup. Well, I'm gonna film a video while I'm getting ready. So yeah. Also, I have to pluck my brows. Like, it's getting out of control. I have to do my effing brows. Like, I can't. This is ridiculous. All these flyaways. Yeah, I gotta get my life together. But yeah, baby, that's the move for today. Also, I gotta like take my trash out. Whatever. Y'all don't even hear about stuff like that. So, oh my God. Let's go ahead and get started. But wait, I bought some new, I also want to see if I can go find a snake plant, but I bought some new plants yesterday. So now I have 5 plants. Allow me to introduce you to all of them because I haven't done that on this channel yet. So these are my babies. These 2 I had already. These 2 I got yesterday. I water my succulents on Sundays, but I bought them yesterday. Yesterday was a Saturday, and these 2 were watered already. So I'm gonna let them sit here in the window for a week, and then I'm going to water them all next Sunday. But these 2 are the ones that need to be watered this Sunday. These 2 will get watered with these 2 next Sunday, if that makes sense. I haven't named them, so if you guys have any ideas for names, let me know. This is an aloe vera plant. This is an echeveria or echeveria. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I have these 2 in like plant pot holders from IKEA. I don't have those for these 2 because I just got them yesterday. So maybe find some like pot holders for these 2 as well today. I don't know what type of succulents these 2 are yet. I have to do my research, but I feel comfortable caring for succulents, especially because when I got this one, as you can see, she's not perfect, but when I got this one, she was not doing very good, and she just looks much better. Like, if you guys could see what she looked like when I first got her, she looks so much better now. So I feel comfortable caring for succulents. And then this bad boy over here is, this aloe vera plant is just like living its bestest life over here. So yes, very happy about that. You know, trying to get through my window. No. I'm a hot mess. I have to take my trash out. But in my dining room, I got a fern yesterday. I just got this table yesterday too. I need to put this in a pot holder as well because the holes are out on that, and I don't want the dirt from this on my new table, obviously. But this likes a lot of indirect sunlight, so I'm gonna have to get in the habit of opening this up more. Maybe sometimes even moving it into the living room because the living room has more light in there. But yeah, this is my new baby, but I don't know how often to water it. I was Googling like how often to water a fern, and it said when the top 2 to 3 inches of the soil are... I was Googling how often to water a fern, and it said when the top 2 to 3 inches of the soil isn't wet anymore. And I'm like, okay, so does nobody have like a time? Like, that should be like twice a week, like, you know? So yeah, still doing a little bit of research about my fern, but I feel comfortable taking care of all my succulents. But I'm gonna make sure I do not kill that fern. I'm not gonna be a plant killer, not gonna happen. So yeah, that's fun, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows, put on makeup, and then we'll be going out into the real world. What? Why does my eye look like that? Also super random, but I've been obsessed with Beyond Scared Straight. Like, obsessed. It's all I watch. I used to be like that about Catfish. I would go to sleep like watching Catfish every night. I would watch it all the time. And now my new obsession is Beyond Scared Straight. I'm watching it right now, like while I was doing my hair. And this is some new stuff I got at Ulta. So yeah, you guys want to see? Well, I got like some body wash, new LA Girl Pro Conceal. I got some lashes. I got this pair, and I got this Ardell pair that I'm really excited to wear today, and some face scrub and a white NYX jumbo eye pencil. So yeah, I'm gonna go film a video and get ready for the day, and then we'll be heading out to go do our stuff. I'm dressed. I didn't do makeup because I'm gonna film like a whole makeup look later on. So I just have on lashes. I just filmed my brow video. So outfit of the day, regular black bodysuit from Shein, jeans from Charlotte Russe, rest in peace Charlotte Russe, and just like these necklaces from Shein. I don't know what shoes I'm wearing though. I look thick today. I look a little thick today. Okay, let me hurry up. So I just submitted my pictures to Walmart to be printed. It's at a further Walmart, but it's like better than my local Walmart. So I'll drive 15 minutes because it's a better Walmart anyway. I printed 4 6x8 pictures. So I need to find 4 6x8 frames while I'm waiting for the pictures to develop. So first I'm going to go to Dollar General because I'm cheap. I'm going to go look at Dollar General, see what frames they have there. I need to make sure that I bring my glasses and my charger because my phone's always dying, and because I have contacts on today and I usually cannot leave contacts on all day, so I'm gonna need my glasses at some point. But what's funny is Dreamville, when I went to Dreamville, I was able to wear contacts all day, like didn't bother me or nothing. So we'll see, maybe I'm finally adjusting. Okay, the very first store I'm gonna look at is Dollar Tree, even before Dollar General, because everything at Dollar Tree is $1, and that's my kind of money saving party. Okay, just walked out of Dollar Tree. I wasn't filming in there because a lot of people. It was kind of weird. But of course they had literally every picture frame size but the one I need. There's a Target right there. But y'all already know Target is like mad overpriced with like house stuff. I'm sorry, it's true. So let's go to Dollar General, see if they have the size that I need. So remember when I said I didn't want to come to Target because everything was expensive? I'm here and everything is expensive. Literally, I was just at Dollar General and Dollar Tree. The frames were, no, I haven't been at Dollar General. Yeah, it was a Dollar Tree. The frames were $1. Look at these prices for the same exact, okay, no, that's not bad. That's reasonable, but look, let me show you. $16.99. What? I don't even think this is worth it for a shadow box. Like, the shadow boxes at IKEA are cheaper than that. Like, huh? What are y'all making them from? Crack cocaine? And then, of course, over here they have all this cute stuff. Like, I've been wanting a bathtub tray, but this one's $35. I could get it on Amazon for like 15 or 20. They have all this cute stuff, but Target is just like the most overpriced place in the whole world. That, blanket is like $70. Like, it's just so overpriced. This frame is $20. Now I think that's worth it because look how pretty this is, but still not paying for that. Not happening today. I just like can't with Target. Like, the bougie in me loves Target, but the real me is like a Walmart, Dollar General kind of girl. Like, Target is for the type of people that will spend $8 on a bag of chips, and that's not who I am. I just like can't. I don't know what kind of millionaires you all are, but yeah, y'all keep shopping at Target. I'm about to go to one of my favorite places. People are looking at me film and I don't care. I'm about to go to one of my favorite places ever, Marshalls. If I can find some stuff to hang on my dining room wall and Marshalls is over for y'all. I'm not even going I'm not even going to go pick up those pictures I had printed. It's like straight up not happening. I'm at Marshall's. I love Marshall's. Say hi, Marshall. Marshall said what's up. Okay, I'm a mess. Let's go ahead and get in Marshall's and remember to lock my car door this time, because like straight up, I don't do that all the time. Absolutely nothing in Michael's. Radio silence, nothing, not a thing, nada. So I'm going next door to, what is this? Oh wait, no, did I say, okay, no, I just left Marshall's and I'm going next door to Michael's to see if they have anything in here, and I'm a little disappointed. Thank you. I don't think I've ever been in here. Y'all got picture frames or? Oh, let's see. Bunch of picture frames. Maybe they'll have the size I need. Oh, but they're expensive though. Oh my God, I can't have anything. Oh my God, of course, as soon as I stop recording, like everything happens. So I did find 6x8 picture frames, but I didn't realize 6x8 is too small. So I've just decided that I'm definitely not gonna go pick up those pictures because I expected it to be bigger. I had only seen the 6x8 like online. But anyways, this one girl was like, yeah, so next time you get, like, okay, there was a mom and a teenage daughter picking up pictures. And she was saying to the mom, the cashier was saying to the mom, next time you get pictures of the kids taken, you can just come back here and blah, 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 blah. And the teenage daughter goes, yeah, but I'm not a kid. Y'all, the way my mom would have slapped the black off of me, oh my God. Y'all parents really let y'all do whatever y'all want, huh? Must be nice. Okay, so, oh my God, that's the daughter and the mom right there. The one who was talking crazy to the cashier. Oh my God. But yeah, so I tap out, I give up. I guess I'll just have a not pretty house. I'll just have bare walls in my dining room. Like, I can't do this right now. And if you think I sound dramatic, it's because I am. I'm gonna go look in Home Goods and what's that other place? Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna look at Home Goods and Hobby Lobby, and like straight up, if I don't find nothing at Home Goods and Hobby Lobby, then it just ain't gonna happen today. So when I first got here and I was getting out the car, I saw somebody I don't like, and it's like, I've been living in North Carolina for 3 whole minutes and I already don't like somebody. But yes, and it's for good reason, because he tried to play with me. So I'm pulling up to Home Goods right now. I forgot that Hobby Lobby is closed on Sundays, so I will not be going to Hobby Lobby. But that's cool, because the last time I went to Hobby Lobby, the manager that always be at the front was mad rude to me. And it took everything in me to not curse her out. So I probably shouldn't be shopping there anyway after she was rude like that to me. Like, and I mean rude for no reason. Like, had an attitude, because I was purchasing these things to hang in my living room. So rude to me that, you know, everything was fine. And she was just being so nasty. I didn't even purchase what I was, like, in line ringing up for. I just walked out. So, yeah, now we're at Home Goods. And there are people right here in front of the store looking at me. Oh, my God, vlogging in public is crazy. Okay, guys. Ugh, my camera. Okay, so guess what? Home Goods had nothing. Absolutely nothing. Home Goods didn't have a thing. I'm going home. I'm going home. I don't want to have a nice house anymore. If this is what it takes, if this is the type of work and dedication you got to put into it, I don't think I'm built for this. Yeah.
All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city.